Sunday. You see this little guy? He's my good friend. we adopted him many years ago from Amsterdam. He came originally from Amsterdam. His name is Ginger. So today's Sunday. We have a long plan ahead. Slowly starting the day. I need cacao. I make cacao. I mean, today I make a little different because, yeah, just one hand holding the camera. So this is how it look like. Usually I put a little bit of cacao powder on the top, but now you can do that, or you can just put a little bit of the cacao that you already made inside. But you just do what you feel like. You have an idea how I do my cacao. I hope you enjoy. Cheers. So I want to dress this to go out, this Indra top that I love so much. But then I have to put Magdelena top over it because it's so cold. And also I have to change. I didn't wear skirt. I wear legging and a long skirt on top of the legging. And I thought, oh, maybe I can wear this and put this on top of my outfit. I don't know what you call this. Can you comment below? I forgot the name of this thing. I bought it in the festival in Luxembourg. But as I say, in the end, I have to change all the whole outfit. You will see what I wear.